Oh my, we're live, right? Anyway, I don't know what I'm doing. I'm bored. So today on Boredom YouTube, we are going to put 5 volts at 500 milliamp with a controlled voltage and controlled current little module. This little thing from China, which I already set up earlier, into some tap water. That's going to be salted with about 10 shakes of salt. Okay? To see how irky it becomes and how fast it gets irky, we have a time here. Clock. That's Central Standard, well, Central Daylight Time, actually, which is UTC -6 for all you guys keeping track of everything. First of all, let's add some tap water. Okay, tap water. Right. To this tap water, we're going to take about 10 shakes of Himalayan salt. The pink stuff, why not? Any salt would do. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 shakes of salt. Yeah. It's going to be messy. Right? Anyway, where is it? Can you see it in this view? Get up closer. How about you? This is my power bank. Clock. Can you see the clock in this view? Not very well. Well, it depends on the angle. You can see it real well that time. All right. My electrodes are going to be stainless steel forks. We have 2 of them. I'm not too sure of the composition, except they are not magnetic. And it says stainless on the back of them. That's all I know about these forks. I have 2 of them. 2 forks. One will be the positive, one will be the negative. Now, to keep these forks from touching each other, I'm going to use a top of a water bottle. I'm going to put the fork like this. 2 tongs inside, 2 tongs outside of the water bottle cap. Same thing with the other fork. 2 tongs inside, 2 tongs outside. That should keep the electrodes from touching. Right? It doesn't really matter if it actually shorts out, because the module back there, the constant current, constant voltage module, would turn things off. Let's mix the salt up a little bit. Should have done that earlier, but I'll do it now. Mix it up. Mix it up. Right? All right. Come on. Everything's falling apart. I am not Big Clive. Oh, no. But, oh, well. We'll see what happens. Put it in there, right? All right. You can see both electrodes. Now to hook these up, I'm going to take the negative rail, using this to put on the right electrode, the one over here, the rightmost one. That's going to be the negative rail, right? And I'm going to take the positive electrode to clip it on the positive electrode or rail. There. Tilt it up a little bit. See, I got the black, which is negative on this electrode or fork, and the positive on this electrode fork. All right. Now, we're going to backlight this. We're going to backlight this so you will be able to see the bubbles. What happened to the light? I mean, what happened to the clock? Oh, no. Oh, that's pulsed, isn't it? That's PWM. That's still PWM. That's not too bad, but I want you to see the light, the clock. Oh, everything's falling apart. Can we have more light? How's that? Oh, yeah, you can see that light. You can forks. You can see everything. All right, at the top, I'll plug it in. Or at the top of a minute, right? You see a minute? No, you don't. It's out of range. 45 seconds. Yeah. Okay. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Good enough. All right, it's on. All right. Let's see. Oh, you could already see bubbles coming off the negative rail. All right. I'll let this sit here. And let's see how yucky it gets. All right. It's going to turn nasty. It's going to turn nasty yellow. Yellow. Notice the bubble coming off the negative rail. Why is that? Why is that? Can anybody tell me why? Because I don't know. Yeah. Anyway, you sit right there now, and you watch bubbles come off that fork, all right? I have better things to do, like use the restroom. Bubbles. Bubbles on YouTube, yeah. Bubble. So we've got that 36, at 1836, right? Better write that down over here before I forget it. 1836. Let's start. All right. Now, let me. Yeah, you can see the bubbles coming up. See, not much bubbles coming from the positive side, which is on the left, but most all the bubbles are coming from the negative side, on the right. Why? Anyway, you watch that for a while, okay? Oh, I need to turn that on. Oh. About 11 minutes, huh? Look how yellow it's turning. We still have bubbles coming off the negative electrode, i.e. fork. Coming up on 12 minutes. Well, what can you do? What is making that clock like that? Why? Okay. Just turn it a little bit. Right? Wonder how filthy it's going to be. The top of it's mainly yellow and brown specks with some olive green. Can I go up? Undo this. Go up. Up, up, up. Tilt down. See what I mean? Where's Mr. Clock? There's Mr. Clock. Over there. All right. So it's not very healthy looking. Oh, stay put. Yeah. Let me get back over here. A little bit, yeah. So I can zoom back in there, lock it down. All right. Get close to it. There you go. So putting out a nice controlled 5 volts at 500 milliamp. Yes, that's what it's putting out. 5 volts, 500 milliamp. Constant voltage, constant current. Let's see how deep, how dark this can get. Yeah. We still got bubbles coming off the negative electrode. Bubbling, bubbling, bubbling. Yeah. if I lower it down a little bit more, we can actually look at the surface of the wire from below. Right? That's fine. Yeah. There you go. Yeah. Right square in the middle. Like that. Right. Right. Well, the interior of the water seems to be almost a constant shade, but the top layers, very dark brown. Seems to be getting thicker, as you can see from the side. 58, right? So it's 22 minutes in, right? 22 minutes so far. Let's see how long we can go. What's it smell like? Metallic. Smells very metallic. Negative electrode still bubbling away, but only the negative. Why? Hmm. Just put it on the clock a little bit. No, I want it. No, that's too much. That's just about right. A little bit on the back. Yeah. You can still clearly see. No. Come on. There we go. You can still see the negative electrode just bubbling away. But not the positive. No. What happened? Wow. It's messed up. There we are. Sorry about the interruption there. The first time of accidentally interrupting my own stream. I didn't know what to do. But I figured it out. No wonder. There. Put more light on the subject. The top looks like cocoa. Mostly. The bottom has here is something on it. The middle is kind of clear. The bottom has a layer, the top has a layer. The middle doesn't. Wish I could see the light of the clock a little better, but no. I don't know. There. My uniform. I'm just going to let it go on. Here in about a minute, it's going to be what? 46, 56? Coming up on 30 minutes here in less than a minute. At 1906 hours Central Daylight Time, it will be 30 minutes exactly since I turned the power on. Five volts at 500 milliamp. DC, direct current. The positive is on the left electrode fork, and the negative is on the right electrode fork. That's 5 volts at 1/2 amp direct current. That's being controlled by a constant voltage, constant current little doohickey. And that's being fed by a 12 volt, 2 amp wall wart. We're just doing it just because. Why not? For science. For science, man. Science. Does that light actually do anything? Not from that angle. You can actually see better without it. You can actually see how it's all kind of fuzzy. The top layer really kind of blocks the light real good. Maybe a little bit from the back. That's not too bad. Blocks the clock. Oh well. Here in about 3 minutes, it's going to be 1908. Beep, 1908. And yeah, remember we started at 1836. 1836 Central Daylight Time. That's GMT minus 6. Or 6 hours behind GMT, or UTC, or whatever you want to call it. Zulu. I'll just backlight it with the light for a while. Don't know. You can definitely tell there's a layer at the bottom and a layer at the top. Man, that's bubbling. Can I hit this thing without it going crazy again? Let's zoom in on those. And pulse modulated light. Yeah. playing tricks with the shutter of the camera. It again. Oh. How dare you? How dare you? Anyway, 10 shakes of salt, right? 10 shakes, originally 10 shakes. I don't know. That's not a scientific thing, but 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. There's 11 shakes more. Uh-oh, that kind of mixed up the top layer, didn't it? And you can see little black bits falling through it. Don't know. But it appears that bottom layer is getting thicker. The bottom layer is getting thicker. Oh my God. I don't know what to call it. I don't know what it is. The top layer is viscous because the bubbles that are forming up top, when they pop, you can see a drop of water just fly off of them. It's thick and it's trapping the bubbles. I'm pretty sure that's hydrogen. If I put a flame to it, it'll probably go pop, but I don't want to know that. I don't really want to know. I'm sure it is hydrogen. Hydrogen. It's a hydrogen generator. You little monkey. Yeah, look at that black lit thing. Backlit, not blacklit. What's wrong with me? Do 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 do. Oh yeah. In about 3 minutes and 30 seconds, it's going to be like 40 minutes. 40 minutes. Yeah. That's something. Here, let me turn this light up. Well, you can't really see without the light. Well, you can see. You can see the bubbles. And you can see the clock. Yeah, so at 16 hours, it'll be 40 minutes. Yeah. Right? Yeah. Yeah. Okay. Yeah, coming up in an hour. No. Hmm. Hmm. Let's take a look at the surface. We're not going up. All right. Oh, yeah. Huh? Zoom in. Can I zoom in? Yes. Bubbling away. This pulse modulated thing. No, that's not pulse. All right, it is in about 15 seconds, been on 1 hour. And my goodness, that looks delicious. All right, let's go back down. Going down. Take a look at this line. All right. Layer of brown and a layer of green under the brown. Can I zoom in? Yeah. Okay. Down a little bit more. Down a little bit more. You see the negative electrode just bubbling away. Most of the bubbles, well, all of the bubbles are coming from the negative. The bottom. Lots of green, blue. Oh. Come on, how do I unzoom? No. I can't unzoom. Sure I can. What's wrong with me? Zoom back on the bubbling. Get some of that bubbling action. me check the temperature of the wall wart. Wall wart's cool. Not stressing the wall wart at all. Bubble, bubble, bubble. Am I zooming even farther in? No, that's about it. Tilt up, maybe. You can see the bubbles that are ascending, creating kind of a convection current. Notice the little area of particles to the left of the electrode, kind of going down, and then getting caught up in the current of the rising bubbles and rising back up again. Convection. Or is it? No. Is it heat? No. It's not really convection. What is it? It's probably suction. They're being pulled up by the suction of the rising bubbles. Yeah, it's a current, but it's not convection. Because I don't think heat has anything to do with it. It's definitely not warm. It's the rising bubble that's making it kind of like a current that pulls the things to the left. Yeah. Okay, tell you what, I'm going to go up a little bit. Up, up, up. Up. Then down. Check out the actions of bubbles at the surface. Notice when the large bubbles pop, how it flings a little drop of something straight up. Watch very carefully when the large bubbles pop. All right, zoom out just a bit. Hold on, just a little. All right. I wonder what would happen if I take a strip, paper towel, and get it on the goo here. If I can kind of strain this goo out. Yeah. Oh. Up a little bit. not much came out, but it's sure green and brown and all kinds of earth tones. I'll try it again with another strip. Try to scoop. Ooh. We'll go a little bit. Wow, that's definitely something. Another strip. Okay. Try to go deep enough to get that goo out. Wow. I still don't know what the purpose of this video is, but yeah, that's quite nasty. It's cleaned up the surface pretty well, right? Kind of. All right, let's go back down. Check out Mr. The bottom here. Go back down. Oh, zoom out. Too much light. Now zoom in. Salt. Metallic salt. Okay. All right. Up, 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 up. All right. Let's kill the backlight. There you go. Now, let's unhook the negative. You'll probably see the little blue light on the constant voltage, constant current. The little module go off and the green light go on. Yeah, see, it doesn't matter if it shorts out. Check out the module. When I short it out, it'll turn a red light on. But you can handle it. That's connected. That's not. All right, let me pull this out. Take a look at it. Again. Oh, that's a horrible height. It's messed up, man. It's not very. It isn't good looking at all. It's the goo, the brown goo. Close up on the brown goo. All right, I'm just going to dump this into a stream of hot water. I'll be back momentarily. Give me a few minutes here. Not really a few minutes, just a little bit. My goodness. Hot water doesn't play around. That's hot. Yeah. You zoom out. Oh no, that's zooming in. Oh well, I tell you what, while it's zoomed in, let me turn this hot water stream off. Right? And let me go down here and turn this so you can actually see the fork on the right, which I'm about to hook again to the negative of the DC. All right, that's negative. All right. Can I put this like this? Yes. Why is there still bubbles coming from it? There's no current going through it. I only have the ground on. But I'm about to put the positive on. Here it goes. 3, oops, on. There it goes. Just watch the bubbles. The relaxing bubbles. Wow, it shouldn't be that. Wait a minute, that's right. I took all the salt out of it. So this is just. Why is it bubbling like that? I flushed all the salt out of it. It shouldn't be bubbling like that, right? But there it is. Let me put one shake of salt in it. Here goes. 3, 2, 1, shake. Definitely more bubbles now. And put another shaker of salt in it. A little shake of salt, I should mean. 3, 2, 1, shake. Again, 3, 2, 1, shake. Two shakes. 3, 2, 1, shake, shake.